Ganda-ganda mo talaga.
Hindi naman masyado, babe.
Yes, babe. Jamie!
Oh, Marky! I thought you were with your family.
Jamie, I can explain.
Sige nga, let me hear your explanation.
Hindi ko siya girlfriend.
Of course, she's not your girlfriend. Nasa harap mo ngayon yung girlfriend mo.
Right, I mean, she's just a family friend.
Pero babe ang tawag mo sa kanya.
That's her name.
Okay, I believe you.
Yes, thank you.
Do you really think na uto-uto ako? Na paniniwalaan ko yung mga pinagsasabi mo? Marky, my gosh, baby. You know that I'm pretty smart. Consistent honor student ako since high school and gumraduate ako ng magna cum laude. Malakas pa yung instincts ko, so bakit kaya ako nandito sa village ng babae mo? You're right. Bobo ka kasi magtago. You're careless and you're easy to read. Kaya hinuli ko talaga kayo para hindi ka na makatanggi pa, Marky.
Look, hindi ko sinasadyang lokohin ka.
Hindi sinasadya. Parang sinasabi mo na nagkabungguan kayo tapos sabay may relasyon na kayong bigla, ganun ba?
Jamie, I'm sorry. Nangyari na lang talaga bigla eh.
Nakakasuka. Sorry. I just can't believe that I've been kissing that disgusting lips. Gusto kong budbura ng asin at kayod sa sahig yan. Pwede ba?
I'm sorry, Jenny. Sorry talaga. Pero, makikipag-break ka na ba talaga sa akin?
You look very excited.
Hindi ah.
Yes, I'm breaking up with you.
Then, pwede ba kitang singilin?
What?
Sa lahat ng mga ginastos ko sa'yo.
May listahan ka ng mga ginastos mo sa akin?
Yes, simula nung naging magkaibigan tayo hanggang sa naging girlfriend kita.
Oh my gosh. Kung isusumbat mo naman pala sa akin yan, sana hindi mo na lang pinaggastosan, di ba?
Girlfriend kita eh.
That's the point. That's your own will. But now... Oh, you know what? Never mind. How much?
132,498.67.
Here's your check. Oh! How about, let me charge you for cheating on me?
Yeah, sure. Give and take?
Yeah. I want your position in my company.
What? No. That's too personal, Jamie. Mawawalan ako ng trabaho.
No. You made this personal, Marky. Also, I can't work with cheaters. Nakakasuka yun. That's unethical.
Yung cheque. Kahit yung cheque na lang.
Fine. Here. That's 150,000. I hope enough na yan. Naawa naman kasi ako sa'yo bigla eh.
Thank you, Jamie. As in, sobrang thank you. And sorry talaga.
You're welcome.
150,000. Walang pirma. Walang pirma yung cheque.